Okay, cool. So I guess we have started. Okay, so let's take the first question. Okay, so uh, there is a grid. Okay, there is a grid of n cross m size. Okay, there is a grid of n cross m. Let's say it is of 3 cross 4. Okay, it is of 3 cross 4. So how many cells will be? Can I say it is from 1 to n into m? Number of different blocks. 1 to n into m, right? There will be total n into m cells totally, right? So each one of the cell will have a unique number associated with it. Okay, so unique number between 1 to n into m. Let's say this is 3, let's say this is 7, 2, maybe 10, 9, 8, 6, 4. So the only thing is no numbers will be repeated, and each number from 1 to n into m will be repeated only once. Okay, which one did I miss? 1, 5, 12, 11, something as such. Okay, now what is this number? So let's say there is one person. Now this is nothing but, let's say this is n floors, and each like this is a height, this is a building height, something n, and each what do we say, each row has some houses or something like that, some rooms associated. Okay, now this number represents the cleaning of that room. Okay, these numbers represent the cleaning. That means this this block will be cleaned at time equals to 1. This block will be cleaned at time equals to 6. Okay, so are you guys getting the point? So whatever the number you see, it's just the time where this room will be cleaned. Okay, now
Okay.
whenever a room is been cleaned, what happens is a dirty water flows towards three directions: left, straight, right? Okay, so whenever any room is been cleaned, okay, it will flow towards its left, immediate, uh, down left, immediate down, and immediate down right. Okay, a dirty water flows, and what happens is, now a dirty water get, since it got flown, this room will again become dirty. Okay, now 7 is being cleaned at unit 7. So what happens is this will go here, and it will make this room dirty, this room dirty, and this room dirty. You have to tell me, okay, you have to print an answer of size n cross m, the same block, and it has to be a boolean variable, true or false. Okay, and what does that indicate? True indicates whether it can be successfully cleaned or not. False indicates whether whether it is not cleaned. Okay, I mean, true indicates it can be successfully cleaned, false indicates it cannot. Okay, so let's take a quick example probably. Okay, let's say we have something as uh, maybe 4, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so can I say initially this room will be cleaned, this room? Can I say this room will be cleaned initially because this is number 1, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so abhi ke liye this is true. Next day it will be cleaned, right? But as soon as
Yeah.
next day, this is 3, right? So you are cleaning this, but what happens? The dirty water gets flowed here, and it becomes dirty now. But now can you come back and clean again? No, right? Because you are at unit 3. Now time has been already passed. So the time which you have washed is 1 and 2, but now it is 3, right? So that means this
Yeah.
is false, this is false. That is, you cannot do. What about 4? You can go and you can do it. And since again the dirty water gets flown, and there is no way that, you know, you can clean it. So the answer you should return is true, true, false, false. Okay. Is the question clear?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay. The question is clear, right?
Mm.
Okay. So acknowledgement from everyone, like if you are able to think, I mean, if you're able to understand the question, then probably we can think of how to solve it.
Yeah, understood it.
Understood.
Okay, chalo, nice, good. So yeah, I'm allowing you 5 to 6 minutes of time. Probably you can think of. Deva, was that clear, or do you want me to explain again?
Yeah, can you scroll up, bro?
Okay.
Yes, yeah. Thank you.
The question is clear, right, Sas?
Yes, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. I wishing while this question only,
Mm-hmm.
we are at one. We are at one.
Okay.
We cleaned and it became true first,
Okay.
and then we'll go right because the value is less, or we have to go till two.
No, no, no. It's not. I mean, it's totally up to you. I am not giving any restriction on that. The only thing you have to print is this table, whether it can be successfully cleaned or not. Okay. Now I actually don't know whether to go right, up, or down, or whatever. Okay. It's up to you to find that strategy, whatever you want to do. Okay.
Uh,
And
Bro, shall we fill true and false for the this question? It
yeah,
will
yeah,
be more.
sure. See, I just showed one example, right? This one.
Oh
See.
no, no, like for a larger example. Yes.
Okay, okay. For
Like,
this one, okay, chalo, let me help you with this example. Dave. Now,
and there is a rule we have to start from like left corner.
no, no, there is no rule. Only thing is there is you are given this grid, okay, and you have
Hmm.
the timings when it will be cleaned. You just have to print a grid, and which each cell should correspond to that whether that room can be cleaned or not. That's all. Okay.
No, so what's the use of the timing? Yeah, that only I have a question.
What is the use of the timing? No, no. See, timing represents when it can be cleaned. Okay. Now let's say you cleaned this room. Okay.
Hmm.
Just give me 1 second. I guess this might drop. 1 second. I just need to reopen that. See, Manan and Sam, let's talk about this room. This is getting cleaned at 1, right?
yeah.
But let's say at time 8 you're cleaning this room, correct?
Yes.
But the dirty water gets flowed here. So it
Yeah.
again becomes dirty. This again becomes dirty, right?
Yes.
This also becomes dirty. This also becomes dirty. But if you see, one has already been crossed because you are at time 8 now. Okay? And you only have the chance to clean this room at 1 only. You cannot clean it after any time, right? So this is false.
Okay.
There is no way you can clean this. So
Okay.
at the end, if it is dirty, then you should print false. Otherwise, you should print true. I mean, if it can be clean. Let's say again, this is false. This is true. This is true.
One doubt, like we'll be going this any order or like how
No,
like
there is no order. That's what I'm saying, right? That's the interesting question. Ki, there is no order. Only thing is you have this grid and the numbers associated. Each number will denote at that unit of time that room will be cleaned. Okay. Now,
okay, like currently we are at one. Like next we should clean it. We should clean two, right? In that
yes,
case,
that's what correct. But at the
like
end,
Like
What?
jumping from 1 to 2, it would be hard, na? Like,
But that's the question. That's what.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Think of
Next,
something.
So,
after one, we should definitely clean two. Next again three.
Yeah, I mean, this is the order. Like, first you will clean one, then two, then three. But let's say again you came to eight, room eight. Okay? Chalo, okay.
hmm,
Let's take this example properly and do it. Okay? उससे अच्छा वो करते हैं. ठीक है? पहला, you will go to one, right? This one.
yes,
Can someone just turn off their mic, please? Just be nice. Yeah. One here. Okay. Next we will go to two. Two is cleaned then. Next to three. So whenever you are cleaning two, what happens? The dirty water gets flown here, 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 right? Okay. Next to three. Three pay, you will go, you will clean it. The dirty water gets flowed here, here. There is no block left side, so I mean it will just spill outside the building. Think of something like that. Okay. Four. Okay. Now this is four. So you saw at time at unit 4 you are going and you came and you just cleaned this, okay, and the dirty water gets flown here and here and again something outside. Now this is 5. Okay, so 5 means first you will clean this. Okay, now 6 is this, right? So when you are at 6, what happens? You will clean this, correct? You will clean this, and this water will go here. The dirty water goes here, it goes here, it goes here. Now can you see 5 is becoming dirty again? Sam, can you see this?
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yes,
Yeah,
bro.
so it is becoming dirty again, right? That means you cleaned at 5, but is and now the dirty water is flowing at 6, correct? The dirty water got flowed here at 6. So is there any chance that you can clean again this time?
No.
So that the answer is false for this. Now did you understand, Manan and Sam?
Ye- Yeah, yeah, got it, bro.
Okay.
yeah, now we got it. Okay, okay.
Chalo. Devasas, you are clear, right? Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, understood, bro.
okay. So if anyone has any approach, please let me know.
I have one approach, bro.
Yeah, go ahead.
So we can take a new matrix. I don't think it is a optimization, but normal.
Yeah, just go ahead. Yeah, first.
Yeah, we can take a new matrix of n comma n cross m.
Okay.
Anyhow, first row gonna be all true.
First stroke on. Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, so we can start from second row.
Okay.
So the impact on this cell is right. I mean corners only, right?
Yes.
If we take the example of 9, it will be impacted only by 7 and 3.
Yes, correct. Exactly.
So it is less. If the values are less than 9,
Mm-hmm.
no impact.
Okay.
If the values are greater, we can consider it as false.
If the values are greater, then okay. Can you explain for 6 also? Probably.
Yeah. So it will be impacted by 7, 2, 7, 2, and 10, right?
Okay.
Uh, so if any of the value is greater than 6,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
the value will be false.
So you just want to check the above cell.
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
above cell, right? Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me. Can you also iterate me on this example also? Let me draw one more.
Okay.
Okay. So uh, let's say we have something as, so in case of this one, first thing 987, so it will be true, right? Because as no one is
Yeah.
going.
Obviously true.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one, this one, this one.
So coming to one,
Mhm.
coming to one. the value of the impact will be from 9 and 8, right?
Okay.
So values are greater than 1.
Okay.
So it will be false.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Similar case for 2 and 3 also, as values are
Got it.
greater than.
Mm-hmm.
Coming to 6,
Mm.
the values are less than 1. The values are less than 6, 1 comma 2.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So it will be true.
Okay. Okay. Mm. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good. Good, man.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah. Got
Similarly, for 5 and 4, it will be true only.
it. Okay. Correct. So that's it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, that's the answer basically. So yeah, I mean, that's the final answer, man. Okay. So you can just see the corners and you can kind of uh, check whether it has been becoming dirty or not at the end. That's a good one. So that's what you have to do. But maybe I can kind of like make a bit complex. Let me think of something else to add one more constraint, probably. Okay. But yeah, that's what. So you require a DP table, that's all, right? And DP of ij will be probably nothing but max of I minus 1 j minus 1, I minus 1 j, I minus 1 j plus 1. Correct.
Bro, like I don't like, is it TP itself like a normal we can consider as greedy, right?
I mean,
Because nothing overlapping na. Like we can, when it comes to DP, we say
yeah,
DP
see,
when it's
basically,
overlapping.
like we are kind of keeping this answer is being
Yes.
populated with respect to these answers, right? So that's the reason it is
Yes.
DP. Okay, it's not greedy because an answer who which depends upon something else. Okay, and if you see this is becoming a graph. Okay, directed a cyclic graph dag. So this is what. Okay, I mean at this point of stage, it's kind of contradictory to say that it's greedy because greedy is not kind of this. Okay, you can say greedy that each time you're just taking maximum, that's also fine, but most probably like DP sounds good, I guess, because with this
Okay. Okay.
you're taking the information of your children and storing it here. Okay. Okay, let me think of something else
Yeah.
because
So what will be the states? What will be the states, bro, for this?
see, what we will do is we will create it. This problem can be most easily solved via tabulation. Okay, so in
Okay.
tabulation what we can do, we can write dp of ij is nothing but max of dp I minus 1 j minus 1 I minus 1 j. Okay, that
Bro, we need to check some constraints also, right? Sometimes
what constraints? Okay, like out array index out
when
of
we are
the.
in the first or last column.
So you're saying array index, right? I mean j minus 1, this one only.
Border.
Yeah, border
Yes.
index.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to check it.
Yes.
I
Yes.
guess you can
Yes.
handle
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes. Yes.
so
Okay.
this is the like, see, the basic version whatever I have given is I have given that it comes here and it stops. Okay. But now let me bring the real constraint to this problem. Okay. Let's say, see, this is water, right? What I just said is water, correct? Do you guys agree? A dirty water gets flown from here, correct? Let's say if you're cleaning 8, what happens? It will go here, it will go here, it will go here. Now, since this is water, water is not kind of stoppable. So again, it will go here, here, and here. Now you guys are understanding? Abhi tak, what I told is you're just stopping at the next level itself. But now what I'm claiming is, let's say you have something as 987, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay. When you clean 8, what happens? The water gets flown here, the water gets flown here, the water gets flown here. From here also, the water will flow here, it will flow here, it will flow here. From here, it will flow here, here, here. So it just gets continue to flow, okay, till it goes out of the boundary or something like that. Now you have to Now the same question is given. Now you have to tell the same thing, that whether it can be cleaned or not. Sas, is that clear now? What additional constraint we brought? Hello?
Yes, bro. Got it.
Hey,
Instead of
only
checking the Ebola only, like we will be checking.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Hello.
So, guys, now the water is not stopping. Okay, it is continuing to flow.
hey, only I have.
Like we also are having.
Oh, is my internet not good? Can someone text here? I mean, is my internet not good?
Is it ours or is it yours? I'm
Yes,
not.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, bro. Like it's a little bit lag.
Okay, can you guys hear me now? Quick confirmation.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. So you got the problem right now. Is it clear? This problem
Yeah, the impact of heat will be on 1 to 3 and W rows also,
below
right?
also correct? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone with any approaches? No? Deva, anything?
No, bro. As of now.
Okay. What about you,
Bro,
Manavi?
what are the constraints of this?
N into M. Okay, let's say N into M
Yeah,
is
7. Okay.
No ideas.
okay. Chalo. So I guess we shall go with the solution now. Okay. We have to cover a few other things too. Now, Let's say we have some random grid. Okay. Think about this cell. So this cell can be impacted by how many of them? Can I say
Above.
this cell can be impacted by this? Correct.
Yes. Yeah.
In turn, this cell again can be impacted by this. Can I say like this?
Yes.
Correct. So this room or this cell will be affected by whatever the arrows you see, right? I mean, wherever the arrows are going, they can only affect this. Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
let's say it is cleaned at X. Let's say it is cleaned at X. Okay. If all the values from these positions, for all the positions, if it is small than X, can I say X will be cleaned at the last? If all the
Yes,
orange
bro.
values are small, can I say X will be cleaned at last?
Yes.
True, right?
Yes. Yeah.
But if
Yeah.
any of the orange lines or any of the orange lines, blocks, whatever you see, if anyone has a value greater than X, can I say somehow when you clean that room, the water will get spilled and it will make it dirty?
Yes. Yes.
Correct. So what you need to find, wherever its impact can go to, okay, or whoever can impact it up to, if all the values are less than or equals to, I mean less than, not equals to, because all of them will have a unique numbers. If all the values are less than X, can I say this will be true at the last?
Yeah.
And otherwise it is false. Can I say that? Is the intuition clear first of all?
Yes.
Right? Deva Manan, just quick.
Yeah, yeah. Got it, bro.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, how to find this efficiently or effectively? Okay. Now, so you know that for the first row, let's take, so how many total numbers will be? Let's say 6, 6, 6, 24
8.
numbers. Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
affected
8 for this,
are
but
8,
I'm just
right?
counting all the sets. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. So let's say the first is something as 3, 4, 12, 11, 13, maybe something 9. Okay. Now, let's fill one more row, probably 1, 5, 15, 17, 3, not 3, 6, 8. Now let's come to this number. Okay, this is what we are talking of, right? Now, can I quickly tell the value for this? I mean, in the sense like, for sure at this instant of time, this room will get dirty.
Yes, because 15, if it gets cleaned, that the dirty water will come.
Yeah, but what's the max time where it will become dirty?
70.
Exactly, 17, right? Now let me make this as 13. Let me make this as 17. Now, will it be 13 or
17
17?
All
itself. 17 only.
no, 7.
17 only, right? So what we will
Yeah.
create is, we will create a DP table. Now in this class we are doing it first time with tabulation kind of method. Okay. So what we will maintain is, we will create one more DP table. Okay. Which will store, each DP of IJ will store max of this, this, this. Okay. Now when it comes to 13, what does this mean? That this room will be cleaned at unit 13, right? But there is a value 17, which indicates that this water will be flowed here at 17 and it will make it dirty. So what I will store in my DP table at this position is 17. Okay, make sense? Because what we are trying to store is DP of ij will indicate what's the max time where it will become dirty. It will become dirty at many places, right? Because when you clean 12 also it will become dirty, when you clean 11 also it becomes dirty. But what I'm trying to store is what's the maximum amount of time where it will become dirty, because after that point will it become again, I mean, will it become dirty again? No, right?
No. Yeah.
Correct. So let's say if this is 19, if this is 19, that means obviously no one can, I mean, even though 17 will spill it at 17, since 19 is greater than 17, you will clean at 19. Correct. So that's, so what we will do is we will try to maintain a DP table which will tell what's the max amount of time where it will become dirty. Okay. And if DP of ij, if it is greater than the current time of that cell, current time of ij, what does this indicate? Will it be false or will it be true? Deva, will it be false or will it be true?
Oh, that will be false, right?
It will be false, right? Because you are, let's say you are cleaning at 10, but someone is making it dirty as 15. So it will
Yes.
be false. Otherwise, it is true. That is, it can be cleaned. Okay? Clear? Others, is it
Yeah.
clear?
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Manan,
Yeah.
is it clear?
Like
Yes.
in that case, we are first modifying the given table itself, right? And then creating the.
We will create one more table because in general this is your original data, right? Original data should never be
Yes.
visited. So we will not do that.
Okay.
We will create one more table and we will do modifications on that.
One more table for this larger one, and also one more table for result. Two tables.
Yes, result means you
Okay.
can create a table or you can just print it. No, no need to
Okay.
create.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so Sahas, Manan, are you guys clear on this part, or do you have any
Bro,
questions?
so DP of ij means
Mhm.
previous value, or I didn't get that.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
I understood like we need to store the maximum.
Mm-hmm.
If it is greater than that, it will be true.
Correct.
So what's the significance of this DP of ij? That one.
This dp of ij will tell that for the ith row jth column for that cell, what's the max
Hmm.
time where it will become dirty. Max time where it will become dirty. Let's say for this one, it will become
Okay.
dirty at 12 only, right? At max.
Yeah.
Because at 4 also it will become dirty, at 11 also, but at 12 also. So let's say if the value is 10, then will it be
Hmm.
clean? No, right?
No, no.
But if the value is greater than 12, let's say 13, that can it be cleaned?
Yes.
It can be, right? So that's what we are storing.
Okay.
So shall we code it up, this one?
Yeah, yeah, it will be
What do you guys say,
beneficial.
Manandeva? Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It will be helpful. Sir.
Okay. Sessions, right? Uh, okay. Okay. So what information do we need? Uh,
NM.
okay. Let me initialize this. N. We need M, right? And what do we need? We need an array which will indicate the time. Okay. And then probably we have to read this a of, okay. Now What do we need? We need a DP, correct? Oh, if anything is not getting imported or what? Now, so do you guys agree that the first row will be same as the array A itself? Because there won't be an impact, right? Can I
Yes.
say that?
Yeah.
So for
Yeah.
int, I can write dp of, okay? Does it make sense? Okay. For from next for, that is from next row onwards, we will try to build our dp table, right? For int j equals to 0, it should be n. N is rows, m is column. So what we need to do? We need to, for each cell, we have to check its this values, right? Now, if j minus 1 is greater than or equals to 0, okay? So what we can do is maybe we can some larger value, okay? This is nothing but just invalidating the cache, but instead of minus 1 I am doing it 1e9. Why not with minus 1? Because minus 1 is negative, right? I mean, we need the max value, so I was kind of like uh, okay, we need maximum, so probably minus 1 makes sense, okay? So if j minus 1, that is if the top left cell, okay, just above to this current left cell, if it is, if we have a value, then dp of ij will be nothing but, can I say this?
What is j minus 1?
Just one minute. J minus 1 is the left cell, huh?
Hmm.
For this, we will check this cell, right? This
Yes.
cell and this cell.
Okay.
So this is I comma j. Then what is this? This is I minus 1 g,
Hmm.
I minus 1 j minus 1, right? So that's what. So the reason,
Understood.
this is nothing but a boundary check, just not to go,
Okay.
just not to go beyond. Okay.
Hmm.
Similarly, if it is, if we have some value at the right, we will also try to take that also. Do you guys agree on that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yes.
minus 1 j minus 1. And one is pretty intuitive, right? dpij will be,
J.
Hmm.
That's yeah.
j.
Yes.
Okay, and we just need to make one more change, and probably like, instead of minus 1, can we just fill with that own value? Because what does we are saying, like when it is getting impacted, right? So if it has, let's say, some greater value which is greater than or equals to all the above cell, then we are
Y-
good to go, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes, bro.
So probably what we can do is, can we do this like this? Oh, it doesn't work like this. Okay, let me just go dp of ij.
I didn't get this, bro. Like, what's use of filling with own value rather than -1?
So I'm just tackling one case, okay? So the case is something, let's say if we have a value 10, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and let's say if it has a value 8, on maybe something like 6, 7, 12, okay, and
Okay.
it has values like 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, okay. For this guy, what are the possible, this and this, right? Correct. For this 12,
Yes, bro.
this one,
Yeah, yeah.
this one, and this one. But for
Yes.
10, the impact should be from here only, right? 12.
Yes.
So that's the reason what I am doing is I am initially filling all the values as their own values itself, so that if it is getting impacted, we are good. Otherwise, it will take this value, right? That's the reason.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah.
If we don't do this, what will happen is it will store 3, right? And then again we need to
Mm.
check two checks, with 3, with 12. But instead of that, I am just writing at 12 itself. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Does it make sense now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So guys, are you guys clear what we have done just now?
Yeah. Yes, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
So j minus 1 is left side,
Correct.
left corner,
Yes.
and then we are comparing that value with
Current current value.
current value.
Yeah.
Next is j plus 1 is
Right. Voila.
right right side.
Yes.
We are
And
comparing that two values.
yeah, and this one is just top wala, uske upar wala,
Oh,
immediate upar.
ठीक है. Yeah.
Okay. And
Hmm.
finally, what we will do is we will print it up, right? So for int I equals to 0, what we can do, probably we can try to iterate on each of the cells. If dp of ij, if it is greater, that means someone is making it dirty at the time after a of ij, right? That means we need to print it as true or false. False, right?
False.
Yes, bro.
And finally, clear कि अगर if the cell is having value which is greater than the current time, that means someone will make it dirty more after a of ij. That's the reason I am printing at false, otherwise it's true. Okay, shall we run it and check what's happening?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. I just removed one for loop because however we are initializing, right? Okay, so 3 cross 4 is fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, values you guys have to tell me. Sas, take this responsibility, tell the values. Go.
3, 7, 2, 10,
Okay.
9, 8, 6, 4,
Okay.
1, 5, 12, 11.
Array, I did println or what? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. In the next second println.
Okay.
Second.
Sorry. I am running it again. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Can you again repeat that same example?
Yeah. 3, 7, 2, 10,
Okay.
9, 8, 6, 4, 1, 5, 12, 11.
See, now if you see, first rows will be always true, right? Because no one is going to spill the water from top. So always true.
Yeah.
What about 9? 9 though will have an impact from 3 and 7 only. That's the reason we are able to clean it. What about 8?
Hmm.
8 will have an impact from 3, 7, 2. Okay.
Hmm.
What about 10? 10 will impact 6. So that's the reason we are not able to do it. 4 also we are not able to do it. 5 is also we are not able to do it. Okay. Because someone will commit and will take it. Similarly 1 also. And 12 and 11, since they are the last, it is we can always clean it, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Shall we take one better example, like just to like uh, these rows are smaller. Let's take 3 cross 3. Okay. Let's take 3 cross 3 and we will take that example 9, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5. Now can you see it is working perfectly fine? See, all of them are false. Why all of them are false? Because 9 will somehow throw the water, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So this is that finding max on each path. That's all. So the question can be like, if you can go up, down like this recursively, what is the maximum number you can reach up to? That can be one more question. So this is again the same problem. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, bro.
Others?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, clear,
4
bro.
will, yeah, 4 will be true only, na?
Why, man? If you clean at
See,
7, 7 will spill the water at 2 and 3. 2 will again spill the water at 6, 4, 5, right? So why it will be true?
oh, sorry. No, so 1, see, we start from 1.
Uh,
1 will do, 1 will get true, and then 6 and 4 will get false.
मतलब हाँ अभी के लिए false रहेगा, correct.
हाँ,
Hmm.
yeah. Like 2 maybe it will also get false.
First
4 will,
row पे it will 1, 2, 3 मतलब it will become true, true, true. Let's say first time, correct.
हाँ, yes.
अब
एक मिनट
when
रुकिए.
it
एक
when it
मिनट, yeah, first true है, right.
yeah, when it comes to 4, 4 पे who is spilling? It is spilling at 3, right? 3,
हाँ
2 and 1, both 3 of them threw, but who has thrown at the last? 3. So we had at the time 4 and we cleaned it. Okay.
हाँ 4 पे we cleaned it, so it will get true.
Yeah. 5 पे we
Okay.
cleaned it.
हाँ
6,
true.
6 पे we cleaned it. It's true. But
Correct.
as soon as we come to 7, when we clean 7, 2 and 3 will become dirty. 2
ठीक है.
again, 2 again will throw the water, right? Dirty water to 6, 4,
पर
5.
2 पे तो we won't go only ना.
So that's the reason it is false, right?
नहीं नहीं, मैं 4 के लिए बात कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, सी 7 को क्लीन करे तो क्या होता पानी? 2 पे आता,
हाँ
3
2.
पे आता.
हाँ बस
अब
ठीक है.
पानी पानी रुकता नहीं, पानी तो फ्लो हो रहा है ना कंटिन्यू. ऐसा नहीं कि 2 पे रुक गया. वो तो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम था. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. दिस इज द एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन.
वो तो एक्सटेंडेड बोल रहा
अरे
कि
मैन.
no no no, my question is this one we solved ना.
Yeah.
So this question is first problem only ना.
No, this is second one. First two is just checking the upper value and it's done. वो तो कुछ भी नहीं है ना.
Okay. अच्छा ठीक है, my mistake. ठीक है ठीक है.
Then you didn't understand
Consider
how. So
if you
sorry.
consider the first problem, it will be true only, as Mohan said.
This will
But
be true, 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 false, 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 true, 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 right?
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it is not like this, right? So,
Okay. Hmm.
clear, Abhi?
Yeah. Yeah ठीक है.
Yeah, got it, bro.